This is gold, XAUUSD. Today we're going to talk about this, where we should exit if you have entered somewhere around here. If you have entered here, when the momentum of the downward trend is slowing down, now would be a good time to exit, considering you can see that the weekly chart, it shows that there's quite a few long wicks here. You can see the wicks are quite long. Momentum starts slowing last week. This week continues to be slower. You're getting very, very small already. So if you're trying to take profit, it would have been nice to take profit last week, but then this week will be still okay. Just a smaller profit, but never mind. You can take profit from here. So XAU, let's call it gold. Gold will be coming down for a pullback, but how far will it go? We have to see how strong the momentum is. But for now, the upward momentum, it has slowed down. It has run up for quite a long time here. Let's see how far. Since January, okay. The momentum slows down since early January, and it has, I mean, the downward momentum slows down in early January, and it has gone up into a positive momentum in early mid January. It has gone all the way up here, and now it is slowing down. It has been on an uptrend for about 5 months, 4 months plus. So the momentum is slowing down, as you can see all the weeks and the momentums, the chart, the candlestick is getting smaller and smaller. Expect some kind of pullbacks immediately within the next 1 or 2 weeks time. So let's see the daily chart. Okay, daily chart. Yeah, it's showing signs of momentum, signs of weakness already, since like just now when we see the weekly chart, it shows that last week, right? So this is last week's chart. It already shows that it has a lower high, break the neckline. So expect this one to maybe break out a little bit, just to tease you guys, and then you most likely go down. It might not reach this moving average, but there's also a possibility, or it might find support here. So expect a $300 plus move maybe, or it might reach to $3,000 level. So it's quite a big move downwards, about 10% loss. So if you're trying to buy on a pullback like this kind, wait for a bigger pullback first. There's no sign that it is on any uptrend for now. As you can see, these two are very prominent. Let's break the neckline. So expect more downwards, maybe to this moving average. So this is what I think it might happen, or it might also reach this level. Just now I mentioned it. We'll see, because the market doesn't show you exactly everything. You have to sort of like double guess where it will go. What are the scenarios that it might play out? So expect gold to pull back sharply. Let's see the hourly chart. Yeah, as you can see, hourly chart is already at the top here. Now is morning 9:13 a.m. 21st of May in East Asia. So it's weakening very strongly. So expect some kind of pullback immediately. Maybe within the next few hours, it might start going downwards again. The upward momentum has slowed down, as you can see here. The candlesticks turn into very, very small candlesticks. So it's going to pull back. So yeah, this momentum is definitely not looking good. So most likely it will just go back to here, where it's supported by these support areas. You can see all these support areas. and trend line support areas. It might be reaching here soon. Immediate support, let's call it immediate support. So if this breaks down, then the trend goes downwards again, which is not a good thing for gold. But the longer term is still upward. You can see it has gone up quite a lot, but then this is a very dangerous one, because it has gone up quite a significant move, and is very far away from the moving average. So any significant move downwards, it might reach even here to 2,800 level. But then the momentum is still going upwards in the longer term, which you can see the moving average is still pointing upwards. The prices is still above the moving average, which is a good thing. But then it does retrace, it does pull back, and it can be quite significant. Imagine you entering here somewhere around 3,300 levels, and then suddenly poof, it goes down all the way to 2,800. You're going to lose a lot of money if you trade gold this way. So wait for a pullback, a significant pullback, then look at how the momentum works, and then hopefully it will just reach here, and then the momentum slows down, and when it shows that it's going upwards, then you can enter again. Hopefully it will go back and break this previous high, but then for now, do not try to enter. It's very dangerous. You will lose a lot of money if you do this kind of trade. You can see that there is no significant trade back to this moving average unless you calculate this one. This one significant move back, which fell from 1,009 about 2,000 level all the way down to 1,600. It's about 400 point drop. So if it drops from here after about how many years, 1 years plus, imagine the drop coming down to here. You won't want to hold this gold position. It'll be very dangerous. Even if you're holding physical gold, do not buy it here. Just wait a little bit longer. You will get a cheaper gold if you wait for a little longer. Of course, there's a disclaimer that these are just my opinion, and I won't be responsible for your trades, obviously. So do your own homework before trading this commodity, and yeah, just check it out. You might learn something from this kind of move. We have seen this kind of move for quite a frequent in the past. Parabolic move upwards, and then a significant down pullback. So as we are speaking, this morning gold has gone up quite a lot, but then now it's retracing, as we can see the hourly chart. After the strong move upwards, is pulling back. So short-term move is still, if you're looking for short-term trade, this is still looking good actually. So it's still looking good. Let's clone it. So yeah, still looking good. So this is a fat cat move. So this is they resisted here, come down and go break above it. That's why when it breaks above this one significantly, it will just drop equally strong. So normally it will just hit here nearby to the upper levels. So it has gone to these upper levels, and so expect some kind of pullback. But then how strong is the pullback, we won't know. It might just touch here and then rebound, or it might break all the way down. This is a classic, what we call that, inverse head and shoulder. You can see here. But then don't expect too much from this move. This kind of classic move is made this kind of this already move upwards. So this pattern is no longer in play in the longer term, because longer term it shows, although the extreme long term weekly chart shows that it's still on up the trend, but then the pullback is expected. Daily chart also shows that it has weakened quite a significant amount. So expect some kind of upward a little bit and then crash downwards, upward a little bit, crash downwards like this. unless there's some kind of major news or major move by the big players. So expect some kind of a up down move in the long term, maybe like that. Or if there's a major move, it might just go all the way down. So we're not going sure when or how it will happen. So this is one of the scenarios that might play out in the longer term. So let's check out. If you're trading my very short term, it's a 15-minute chart. You can see here. You can actually see the how the momentum starts dying down. Okay, now it's only up 3 points left. So the momentum is very slow now. So this is the previous high. This you can see all these long wicks, and the momentum slows down here. Let's remove this one. Okay, see the momentum. It actually slows down a lot here. See? So expect some kind of move down. If you're trading the 15-minute chart, it will break this one. Most likely it will break because this is a failed breakout. You can see it takes so long to build up pressure to the upside, touches the previous high and then pulls back, tries to break it again, fail. So expect some kind of big move downwards. So yeah, gold. You have to be very careful when trading with gold these days because it has gone up quite a lot in the long term. Any significant move downwards will be quite dangerous. As you can see, this is a long-term gold chart. The momentum actually slows down very much this week compared to last week. See, and the weeks are very very long. Means there's a lot of sellers here. Many people are taking profit, most likely the big boys. So if you're trying to continue, if it's trying to push itself up, most likely it will just come back down big. Do not try to enter here. It's very very dangerous. You will lose a lot of money even if you don't you think you're diamond hands and trying to hold it forever. Yeah, it doesn't work this way. You'll feel a lot of pain when it comes down, and we are not sure where it will go. It might go all the way down to this moving average, which is very deadly, about 2500 level if it's continue on this location. 2500 is now is 3300. That's a significant move downwards. So if you're trading gold and think of holding it when you're making this much of profit and you're giving up this much of profit, I don't think you will feel that happy because this it takes like it takes like five months time to go all the way up here. Why waste this profit? Just take your profit. Don't hold it and lose 5 months and then continue wait. It might just go up and down, up and down, up and down. Then maybe 1 or 2 years time it will go back up. So this might happen. Do not waste your time with this one. It already gone up 5 months. Do not waste your profit. Just take it here. Take your profit and then you'll be happier this way than waiting for it to come back down. So if it comes back down here, you wasted 5 months of profit here. So it's not. I don't know about you, but I don't think I will do this kind of trade because it's very wasteful. In fact, this is a very nice move upwards. It has gone down, gone into a very weak mood here. It's a clear cut sign that you should sell and take profit here. Of course, there is also a chance that it will just spike up again. But then I prefer to believe that it will have a pullback. Do you think this kind of big moves upward that has already exceeded the previous two move upwards, the momentum? Do you think this kind of move will continue upwards? I don't think so. It's most likely to pull back down. So it has weakened to about 3 points now. So gold will be very, very weak in the coming month or weeks. Next week will be dropping a lot, that's for sure. Maybe this week. So, or late this week. Gold will be coming down a lot. Expect to have a sharp pullback. If you are planning to buy gold here, just wait a little bit longer. Don't buy here. It's not worth it. In my opinion, it's not worth it. So if you're trying to sell, this is a very good spot. Instead, you should have sold last week when the momentum is still fairly strong. This week is very weak already. You can see the candles are very small. So and the week are very long here. You can see the weeks, very long weeks. So there's a lot of conflict here. You should have sold last week, but this week is still the last chance, sort of like a final call for you to exit. If you still don't exit, it might drop. It might drop like this. So imagine it drops all the way down here and supported by this thing. Oh my goodness, you wasted 5 months of your time here and another maybe 5 months of your time here. So 1 year wasted. So I don't think you want this kind of scenario happening. But it will happen. It will happen. So just be careful. Do not. If you have profit, take your profit. If you don't have profit, don't buy here. Just wait for a good time to enter. Follow my channel. Maybe you will get some good entries. I just get some comments that my Tesla is making money for someone. Okay, that's a good thing. You can see my previous Tesla calls. If you check out my previous shorts about Tesla, how I analyze when the momentum slows down and then the possibility of a rebound here. So if anyone were to enter here, it will be 200 plus, and it has gone up to what, 343.82, 342, just 340. We'll just round it up. So it has gone up this much. So it might continue going upwards before any pullback. So yeah, expect some kind of let's see where, we'll just see where maybe we'll have some kind of, okay, this is a resistance turn support. So 375 is the next one. So if it touches here and pull back down, it might weaken more. So we're not sure. We'll just have to see as it goes. So the highest point is 475 for here. So yeah, for Tesla is working quite well. If you follow my shorts, just check out my shorts video. I try to cram everything into that 3 minute, but it's not not really enough. Sometimes I have to skip many important points. But just check out my longer videos as well. There's a lot of tons of information on how to trade, how the psychology. I have a video on psychology about trading prepared last night, and now I'm recording this one on 21st of May, early morning, so in the East Asia. So I'll just try to prepare everything and hope to launch it maybe I think you have to wait about 24 hours before launching it to get the algo working. So yeah, I'll just have to wait 24 hours after this recording of this video. So do check out my older videos, subscribe, and also comment if you have anything to ask, or if you have something that you want me to look into. Okay, yeah, I try to make this one not too long, but then check out my older videos as well. Okay, thank you.